Hello and welcome all. My name is Khanam and this is my 22nd video in React series. In our previous video, we have seen how to import images and how to use images in our website, and also how to use images like how we were using in HTML file. Okay, we just have to create separate folder inside public folder and then we have to import like this. Okay, then we just have to write like this and we will be getting the image. Okay, we have seen here this image was displayed. Now in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Material UI icons and how to use Material UI icons in our project. Okay, now I'll just open this terminal, Ctrl J. I'll open VS Code terminal. Inside this terminal, we have to install npm package. Okay, npm we have already seen that, Node Package Manager. We have to install Material UI icon package and then we can use that icons inside our project. Okay, now I'll just tell you how to insert, how to install Material UI icons and how to use inside our projects. Now just search inside Google, you just have to write here Material UI icons, and here you will be having this link. Click on this first link and here you can see here I have this at Material UI icons and I have this material icons. I'll just click on this Material UI icons. Okay, and once I click on this, it will be redirected to official npm page, and here if you see here, we have weekly downloads of 12,16,017 people. Okay, these are the weekly downloads count, and here we have this code how to install this one. And here if you see here, with npm we have this one. If you are using yarn, you can use this one. And also once we install this npm UI icons, we also have to install this Material UI core. Only then our icons will work. Okay, first I'm just going to install this one, npm install Material UI icons. I'll just copy this one, and here if you see I have this icons code. Just paste the code whatever you have copied, npm install Material UI icons, just paste that one and click on enter. Okay, it will get installed, and later on you just have to copy this one, npm install Material UI core, and you have to install this one, and then we will be using this icons inside our project. Okay, once it get installed, I'll show you. Now you can see here, once it get installed, I'll just come here, I'll copy this npm install Material UI core, and here I'm just going to paste that one. Okay, it will take some time to install, and later on we are going to use icons. Now here you can see here, this is also been installed, Material UI core. Now once it get installed, okay, just come back here. Now here you will be having all these icons. Okay, the advantage of using this Material UI icons is you will be getting icons. Okay, all the icons will be in modern way. If I just compare with Font Awesome, I'm just not telling if Font Awesome is not good, it is also very good, but if you just compare with this, okay, you can see here, if I just compare this plus symbol with this plus symbol, you can see here it's thinner plus symbol, and here I have this thicker one. Okay, for thinner it is premium one, but here it is completely free to use. So if you want to use React, if you want to use icons in React, then I suggest you to use either Material UI icons or React icons. Okay, first we will see how to use Material UI icons, and then in later tutorials we will be seeing about how to use React icons as well. Okay, now you just have to click on this. If you just see, okay, this is the basic difference you can see here, and this icon you can see here. Now whichever icon you want, just click on that icon. I'll just select this one. Now here you can see here I'll be having this link. You just have to copy this one, and in whichever file you want to use this, I'll be closing this. In whichever file you want to use that icon, you just have to import it here. Okay, now this will be acting as my component, separate component. I'll just copy this, and to use component we used to write like this. I'll just come below, and below this image we used to write like this, and just close this component. Okay, now this will be my custom element. Now if I just come to my project, if I refresh this one, now you can see here I have this icon next to my image. My icon is visible here. I'll just come here, I'll copy another, I'll just copy this one, and here from here I'll just copy this link, import link. I have to import this icon. Now on top I'll just paste that one here. I'll just copy this account circle icon, and below this add photo I'll just create custom element. I'll be pasting that one. I'll just close this one. Now if I just show you the output, You can see here I have this both the icons here. Okay, this is how we are going to import the icons, Material UI icons, and we are going to use inside our project. Okay, now if you have installed this Material UI icons, all the data, all the version of that will be stored inside this package.json. Okay, before using any icon, just come to this package.json and just check whether it is installed properly. Okay, if you find that package inside this package.json, then it means that you have successfully installed that one and you are ready to use that icons. Okay, you can see here I am having this Material UI core and also I am having this Material UI icons. Okay, this is how you have to check. Also I am having this version 4.12.3 and 4.11.2. And inside package log.json we will be having more information about that package. I'll just search here, Control F, I'll be doing material. Okay, you can see here I'm having this Material UI core, and also below this I'll be having this Material UI icons. Okay, I'll be having some more information about this, and inside package.json I'll be having that dependency here. Okay, and also the version you can find from here. Okay, this is how we are going to check whether it is installed properly or not. Once it is installed properly and once you see this package here, that means it is installed properly, and then you are ready to use the icons and you can import the icons and you can just create the custom element here. You can create like this and you can use that inside our project. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.